this video we will explain reseller types. There are a variety of categories of players in the channel. The major categories are value-added resellers, system integrators, consultants, storefront operations, distributors, sales corners, whatever you call. It is important, however, that you understand exactly how your partners and prospective partners make their money and into which activities they are investing. Many individual resellers refer to themselves as something they are not. It is important that you and your resellers are realistic and honest about their actual positions and capabilities. You can see our chart. Despite the number of resellers we mentioned, all these can be grouped into two broader categories: 1 volume resellers, 2 value resellers. The type of support required by the reseller and your relationship with the reseller will be dramatically different depending of the type of reseller. It is also essential that resellers position themselves clearly. The most dangerous position in today's environment is no position. The true volume reseller does not offer much customer support or service. They typically do not train their personnel as extensively as do value resellers, and they can get away with hiring lower potential and less expensive personnel. They generally generate between 10% and 12% margins on hardware. They do not provide customization or support services. The financial model requires that they generate between 10 and 12 inventory turns per year. The key is traffic. For example, the average superstore, which is quickly becoming the only successful volume model, has an average 10,000 customers passing through per week. The superstore has no outbound sales force. The value model, the value reseller, unlike the volume reseller, generally does not generate a majority of its revenue from your products. They sell solutions, vertical market-specific applications, consulting or integration services. The selling cycle is long, and sales investment is large, so a prospect must be carefully qualified before the investment is made. The value resellers uses marketing tools which generates these qualified leads. For example, they rely heavily on seminars, direct mailing, to pre-qualified audience, and telemarketing. A volume reseller, on the other hand, might concentrate on TV, press, and internet advertising. Both the value and volume resellers are focused on margin dollars, but they achieve their objectives in different ways. Value resellers focus on high-margin support offerings which typically surround hardware sale. Volume resellers concentrate on generating margin dollars with high volume and high asset turns. Let's see our major partner recruitment and support model. We will show you now a model which will lays out individual steps in relationship building. Within each stage, the objectives, actions, required tools, and expected results will be described. In general, it is necessary to progress through each step in order. The process is organized to first assist you in verifying your need for a given partner, their openness to your company, and their capability of fulfilling commitments made. The last stage will be that of relationship building, is the stage in which you cement the bonds of the partnership. You bring the reseller into your company and they will know your product directions, they will meet with your executives. This is a process which should become second nature to you. The close in the channel is not the sale of signing of the contract. It is building of a joint partnership plan. This plan translates into mutual long-term commitment. Let's look at the checklist. Do you know reseller's profile? Is it successful and large reseller? Yes or no, or you don't know. Does it have a stable profitable growth? Has it any authorization for any brand? Do they have any proven success in major accounts or markets? Are they able to meet your quota? Do they have financial resources and support resources? Do they have any value-add systems or vertical market expertise to end users? This checklist is designed to remind you of what you and don't know about your opportunity. If you have many no's or unknowns, the account is most likely not a good opportunity at that particular time. The comments and actions sections of the checklist will provide you to record actions you plan to take to find out key information that might help you to better qualify the account or opportunity.